my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Somehow you found me and we're connecting. So I would love to get to know you. If you could leave me a comment, that would be awesome. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. I love getting to know you guys. And if you're new here, I want to know what drew you here. Do you like things beauty? I love all things beauty. And I feel like that is a huge part of me on the inside, not only trying to stay young, but just taking care of myself, you know? And if these were things you're interested in, I do unboxings, I do tutorials, I deal with problem skin. So yeah, if you have those things, then definitely hit that subscribe button or watch the video to the end before you decide to subscribe. Either way, I'm happy you're here. If you're returning, I'm so excited you came back for another video. I would love it if you would leave me a comment. So today, I am doing an eye look with the new Tarte Gilded Palette. I decided to get this palette. It comes with two for $54 instead of getting the Pumpkin Spice Second Slice, I think it's called, and the Tarte Maneater. And I might just take you through Ulta with me and show you all of that stuff, and then we'll get into a tutorial here. So let's get right into it. So I've been testing out sneakers for problem feet, and I've been wearing them because you guys know me. I do full reviews. Okay, so I went into Ulta yesterday. I was wearing my new sneakers, and I was looking at the different holiday palettes, and I found the 2-in-1 Tarte, the Gilded and the Glamour, I believe it's called, and for $54. And then I saw the Tarte Maneater, which I wanted, but I would not have used all of the colors in there. So I'm hoping I don't regret my decision. But I saw the pumpkin spice as well, and the packaging wasn't there. And it was $52. And I'm going, more money, and the packaging isn't the same? Maybe they put it into the formula, I don't know. But it didn't appeal to me. And maybe I'm the only one that it didn't appeal to, but I decided to get the 2-in-1 palette. So that is what we're going to be using today, and I'm super excited. We're going to be using the Gilded palette. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Now, I started to do a look yesterday and I lost the footage, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in today. I got eye primer on. It's Jaclyn Cosmetics, and we're going to go in with Roaring. Ooh, I didn't try that one yesterday. All right, we're going to tap her off, and we're going to try it. Ooh, okay. I am filming in my room because I did a bunch of filming yesterday that didn't take in the other room with that camera, and I don't really know what's going on. So we are doing this today. Ooh, okay. So if you're new to my channel, I like to do my eyeshadow, start here where the most pigment is, especially if I'm using a blending brush to do it, and then go towards the eye each time. So this way towards the eye, and then over here towards the eye. But I don't start down here because I want my eye to look lifted, and I have mature skin, mature eyelids, and if you have that, you know exactly what I'm talking about, because these bitches move. They just move, and it's like, okay. And we want our eyes to look lifted, not dragged down. So right below the brow bone, it's that hard part right here, hence the brow bone, you know, but right below that is where you would put your transition shade and then go into the crease. But if you have hooded eyes like I do, then you're going to want your crease to be up here. And I'm going to show you guys about that in a little bit. Just lay this color down, getting used to filming in my room here. Whoa, okay. I have a mirror right in front of me, and here I'm trying to use the vanity mirror. Duh, Karen. Okay, so like, yeah, I just have to build this color up a little bit, doing the same thing. I like circular motions as opposed to windshield wiper motions. I can't talk today. I can't. Woo! That's a gorgeous color. Like, pinks I can do when I'm tan, but rosy colors or mauve colors are my jam. That's really nice. I like to do, and a general rule of thumb is lighter, a little darker, and darkest out here. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm moving my feet Hope you're not getting like sick looking at that. Okay, so Abstract seems to be one of the darkest shades. So I'm going to dip this blending brush into that. And we're going to put her out here. And we're going to place her down. And then go back in and blend. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Okay, Tarte. I think I am starting to be happy with my decision here. I figured 2 palettes for $54 as opposed to the big Maneater, which did get good reviews at $52, but I won't use all the colors. And in here, I will use all of these. So I'm like, okay, holiday palette. I think this is it, or these 2 are it, I should say. Okay, let's retire this blending brush. And then we're gonna go in, we want a brush, kind of like this one, the Luxie. And do I have setting spray in here? Probably not. So what I'm gonna do is go into, it's called Red Hot, but it is definitely not a red. Okay, I'm gonna tap that, and we're gonna put her in the middle. Nice shimmer, look at that. Oh, thank you. Gorgeous. She is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I do not want this to move. I might have to go back further. Here we go. It's still moving. I'm not used to doing my eyeshadow in my room, so I'm watching to see if it moves because I'm like, don't mess up my video. My camera out there had, what do you call it? Spider webs on it because it's been that long since I've sat down to film. That is super pretty. Okay, so taking the other side of this brush, we're going to go into Elegant. Trying to tap so lightly here. Oh, wow. Hello. I don't think the camera is doing this color justice. That's insane. Yeah, she's gorgeous. Gonna take the other side of this brush and just kind of blend this out so it looks like everything belongs together. You can always add more pigment if you want. Yeah, that's pretty. Can you guys see? Getting a good look here. Oh, I like that. Ooh! Okay, so we want to do underneath the eye. And usually a small mini round brush. I don't think I have one over here. This one's not as small as I would like it to be. This one's too floppy. Yeah. You need one with control for this. Okay, we're going to use this one, but we're going to use it in a different way. All right, let's start off with a lighter color. We'll do the Elegant that we did on top. Got my mirror. Oh, I really don't have to go far with that. Wow. Okay, yeah. All right. Let's turn it over, go into Red Hot. Basically, the colors that I used up top are the ones that I'm using underneath. Got to be so careful on how I apply this because I really don't have the right brush. I know I look silly. Oh, wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. All right, so let's go into Abstract, which is that dark shade. Put her down here. Whew, thank you. I'm getting excited. Awesome. We're going to follow it up, make sure it's good. So everything looks like it belongs there. And then we can add a brow bone highlight. If we do that, we're going to want to brush that doesn't have anything on it. And that's kind of flat. I think the one that I have as close is just going to be that one. All right, so we'll dip it into that elegant shade. Ready? Right above the brow bone. Hello. Hi. Hoo-hoo! Don't follow it all the way down unless you really want to, because it can give the appearance that your eye is dragged down. And we've worked so hard here trying to take our mature lids to another level and lift them. All right, so I'm going to do some eyeliner. Yes, yes, yes. And then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here's my finished look with the new Tarte palette. This is, again, what she looks like, and I'll probably do swatches on a short if you're just interested in that. But I like her. I love the magnetic packaging. I totally think this is worth it. I'll put a picture of the other palette it came with, but I will use all of these colors, so I really am happy with my purchase. I do want to hear from you guys, though. Would you have splurged on the Maneater even if you weren't going to use all those colors? Definitely let me know that down in the comments. Do you still want to see that on my channel? Because I just may pick it up. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new here and you love beauty, makeup, unboxings, I am a Beauty Over 40 channel. I'm sorry. Getting used to filming in my room. So I deal with large pores, I deal with acne, I deal with, wrinkles, all that crap. Mature lids, you know how it is. So definitely, if you feel comfortable, introduce yourself down in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. Somehow you found me here, and I'm so excited that you are here. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Leave me a comment. I'd love to connect with you and hear what you have to say, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.